I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a Sudoku game. First, understand the grid. A standard Sudoku puzzle consists of a 9 by 9 grid, which is further divided into 9 smaller 3 by 3 boxes. Your objective is to fill every empty cell with a digit from 1 to 9. This simple setup forms the foundation of every Sudoku challenge, making it accessible yet engaging for new players. Let's dive into the core rules next. The core rules of Sudoku are straightforward but crucial. Every row on the 9 by 9 grid must contain all the digits from 1 to 9, with no repeats. Similarly, each column must also feature every digit from 1 to 9, again without any duplication. Finally, and this is key, each of the 9 smaller 3 by 3 boxes must also contain all the digits from 1 to 9. Mastering these 3 rules is essential for solving any puzzle. To effectively solve a Sudoku puzzle, begin by scanning the grid for cells where only one digit can logically fit based on existing numbers in its row, column, and 3 by 3 box. A helpful technique is to use pencil marks, lightly writing down all possible candidate digits in each empty cell. Then, look for patterns like hidden singles, where a digit can only go in one specific cell, or naked pairs to eliminate possibilities. These strategies are key to progressing through tougher puzzles. As you become more comfortable, practice regularly to sharpen your pattern recognition and speed. Don't be afraid to tackle puzzles of varying difficulty levels. This will significantly enhance your problem-solving abilities. Remember, Sudoku is a game of logic and patience, so take your time and enjoy the process. Also, for other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Happy puzzling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.